For my alternate card, I'm going to try making this into a Z fold. So I have peach pie cardstock, and I've cut it 5.5 by 8.5. I'm going to score it down the middle at 4 1/4. And then I'm going to score it at 2 1/8, just in the middle of the front. Whoops. So go ahead and fold that. And then fold this front part back. And that's what's called a Z fold. See how it looks like a Z, sort of? Okay, oops, except I'm doing it this way. And I chose that because there's a little, a small card that we can put on top, and I'm gonna stick it right here. So let me go ahead and do that. You can notice it's gonna have a little bit of a border around it, so don't put your glue too close to the edge. And I only want glue on this section. Okay. So here, I'll place this on, and then before I press anything down, I'm closing my card and trying to get it even or centered. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so it's gonna open like this. And I really kind of like the way they had it with the bunny and this around it. So let me grab some of these mini dimensionals. And I'm going to put a bunch of these around it. So I have a bunch of mini dimensionals on there. I'm going to pop it up on my card. And next, let me put the bunny in there. I'm just going to use regular dimensionals. And it's going to be covered by the Happy Easter on the bottom, so it's okay for me to put him to put Bunny up here a little bit. So I've got the big banner here. I'm going to use Shy Shamrock, which is retiring very soon. So grab these in colors if you don't have them yet. They're on sale now and they're really pretty. Anyway, let me stamp Happy Easter, which is such a great sentiment. I think this is the only one I have. I don't think I have any other sets with this. Let me, I think if I just glue it straight across, it's fun. Glue it here and put some glue on the other edge, because it's already, Bunny's already popped up, and maybe a little there and there. I know I should have put my glue down just a bit. Okay, let's grab an egg. Got this cute little, cute little Easter egg. And I'm gonna put a drop of glue and just tuck it behind his little hand here. What else does he need? I think mainly the bow. Lost this. Tie a little bow This pink baker's twine is really sweet too. I like it. And a glue dot. Don't use liquid glue to put bows on. They just kind of makes a mess. Just use a glue dot, roll it up a little bit, and stick it wherever you want it. And then I can just put the bow on there. It'll stay really nicely. Just press it down. Okay, sequins. It's pretty cute. I'm going to put a little Wink of Stella on the ears. And a little nose. And I could just put it on some flowers too. Can you see that? Not very well, but it's very sparkly. I love this. Probably have to do a few of the flowers, do the pink ones. Okay. Okay, it's so cute. I'm almost done. Let me do an inside here. I've taken a piece of basic white, cut it 4 inches by 5 1/4. And where's my stamps? Here it is. I'm gonna stamp Sweet Spring Greetings with Shy Shamrock. I think I'll just put some grass along the bottom. Gosh, I might need to hide an Easter egg in there too, huh? Got this one out here. I probably should use pink. Let me see. Pretty in pink. And see if I can stamp an egg or two. It's cute. Okay, let's glue it inside. Isn't that fun? It's really easy. Okay, there's my card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have another one when I finish up. I'm going to show you just at the end. So look at this cute little card. I'm not done with it yet, but these little puppies are from a bundle called Cutest Crew, and they're just adorable. And so I thought, oh, they just look like they'd be running and jumping in the flowers. So I found this little sentiment from Valentine Kisses, It's sending lots of love your way to celebrate this special day. And I think I'll make a birthday card out of this. So I'm going to put it, here's my Versamark. Sometimes I like to prime these in Versamark first and then stick them in my stamp pad. Okay, so that's cute. I'm going to pop it up. I don't know where my dimensionals are. Gee, here's some. So it's getting there. It needs, I wonder if he should be jumping for a flower. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me put a couple more flowers or something on this and I'll show you a picture at the end of the video. But these are adorable and they're in, they're called Cutest Crew and it's my favorite bundle right now. So thanks everybody for watching today. I hope you have a lot of fun with this paper pumpkin kit and have a great day. Aloha.